Hi, my name is Kendra. That makes you a bunny. That makes us Kendra and the bunnies. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a product unboxing and a product review of Brain Surge IQ. Let's get into it. If you know me and you've been around my channel for a minute, then you know that I am constantly busy, that I am constantly working on new songs, new creative projects, new music videos. I oftentimes am traveling. I do work for myself, so I like to say that means I work 24/7 every day a week, 365, and I absolutely love it. I love being an artist, I love being a content creator, I love being a YouTuber, and I love being clear-headed while I do it. It helps me be able to channel all my creativity in what I'm doing at that exact moment and focus rather than having all my thoughts scattered and my concentration scattered. She sits by my desk, so she's a part of my work too. That's where Brain Surge IQ comes in. Brain Surge IQ is a premium cognitive support that's going to help our focus, our memory, and our drive. It's also going to speed up our mental quickness, and it's going to heighten our productivity. This is filled with a bunch of nutritious ingredients, including vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, folate, biotin, vitamin B5, magnesium, zinc, selenium, copper, manganese, chromium, molybdenum, potassium, and choline. And then on top of all those immune boosting ingredients, it also has a proprietary blend of glutamic acid. Here we go. These are some things I can pronounce. Green tea extract, bacopa extract, bilberry extract, GABA GABA, grape seed extract, grapefruit seed extract, olive leaf licorice root extract, boron, and DHA. This is really, really awesome for those who constantly have their mind at work or have a mental heavy position. Boost creativity and elevate our moods so that we can focus on the inspiration that drives us. This is suggested that you take 2 capsules a day about 20 to 30 minutes before a meal. So let's do as they say. If you'd like to check out Brain Surge IQ, you can purchase at brainsurgeiq.com. I also have a code on the screen right now that's going to help you save a percentage of your order. It's also linked below and pinned in the comment. This comes with 60 capsules, which is a 30-day supply. It's a premium nootropic. A nootropic with 2 O's is a type of ingredient that is a brain boosting ingredient. It is known to help the brain function and boost the brain's capability to understand, conceive, and perceive. To perceive quickly and precisely. Here's what they look like. And now, of the Brain Surge IQ, which is the recommended daily serving, about 45 minutes ago, and I have to say it kicked in about 20 to 25 minutes, and I feel more concentrated, more energized, and more alert. I feel very much more alert. I feel like this is perfect for working out, perfect for when I travel, because I always drink so much caffeine when I travel, but that can sometimes make me panicky. So this is really, really nice. And this is perfect for the amount of work I have to do tonight. So I'm gonna get started on my work. Thanks to Brain Surge IQ.